I see tremendous innovation happening out in the marketplace, but when I look at the tools that I use every day as a practicing physician and those that my colleagues use, I know we're not quite there yet, and there's tremendous promise that we haven't quite actualized that would help me and help my patients be able to connect and use technology the way that we all know is possible. I think the greatest threat to health technology in the current landscape is when technology is developed in a vacuum. And I've seen products, I've used products that really were developed without good clinician input, people who actually use the products every day, and that leads to real problems with technologies that don't work or don't work well or aren't usable. There was a recent article that looked at some of the mobile health apps that are most downloaded by consumers, patients. They found that the majority of them don't work. They don't do what they say they're going to do. That's a real problem and a real threat. I think innovations that allow practices and facilities to have more consistent care are the things that can allow us to have the most impact on patients. We often know what the right thing to do for our patients is, but a lot of times we don't do that because there's either communication problems or people don't recognize a certain issue, and I think technology can really help provide reliability and consistency, and ultimately is going to be one of the things that helps advance care. eHealth is playing an important role in bringing stakeholders from industry, business, the AMA, other organizations together to try to put our collective thinking hats on to understand what are the right policy approaches to ensuring that regulations are appropriate, effective, and can help everyone across the healthcare ecosystem. I think with the new administration and the new Congress, there is a real opportunity because there's a focus on reducing burdensome regulations, and there's a need for that. Every day in practice, I see things that the technology is making me do that could be improved by reducing some of those regulations, things like prior authorization, transparency in the process, whether it's related to drug pricing or getting access to services for patients. Those are the kinds of things that I think there are real opportunities with the new administration on.